Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Pleural effusion. The pleural effusion, the trachea shifts to the opposite side. The trachea shift to the opposite side. And the white opacity of the blunting of the costophrenic angle. There is blunting of the costophrenic angle. Next comes the most sensitive investigation. This is nothing but the USG. This is a very most sensitive investigation. The most sensitive chest X-ray view. The chest X-ray being very sensitive. The most sensitive chest X-ray view will be the ipsilateral lateral decubitus. So ipsilateral lateral decubitus with a horizontal beam. Presence of a horizontal beam. And then there is also something known as a Ellis S curve. So this Ellis S curve, it becomes a land hallmark. So the hallmark is of the pleural effusion, and there is a pleural fluid. So this pleural fluid, it gives rise to the higher along. So pleural fluid, it tends to rise higher. So this rise higher along its edge. So rise along its edge, and it produces a meniscus shape. So it produces a meniscus shape medially and also laterally. This is mainly known as a meniscus sign, and the curve is known as the Ellis curve. So this is the meniscus sign and the Ellis curve. Next is there is something known as the D-shaped curve. D-shaped curve. So D-shaped curve is suggestive of a loculated pleural effusion. Loculated pleural effusion. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.